Alright, this is MOVember day 5. I've been for a morning walk and I'm now at flip out with this guy and another guy over there, my son Maverick, he's doing front flips. He might even teach his dad to do a front flip. But this ridiculous mustache that I call the ridiculous, he's trying to get this 50-something-year-old body moving. So I wouldn't say this is an inspirational video, but it's fun. MOVember, start donating, guys. I know it's a cause sometimes you think, oh hang on, I gotta help someone. Bye. Alright, when you're ready. Yes, bud. This is a great place. Yeah. One more lap. Go! Woo! Well done, boys. Stop. You've got it. Go! Hey! You feel me? Yes. Okay, this is for MOVember. I've been a backflip guy all my life. And now, my 5-year-old son, Maverick, told me to do this. Stay there. What are you doing, Mav? I did it. 1. Yes! Oh, okay. Now we're in trouble. Ah! Lord help me. This is crazy.